What's up, peeps? Look what Mister did. He made donuts. How sweet. So the family and I went out to the blueberry farm and we had an awesome time, and we picked and we ate, and we just had a good time together. So it was nice and breezy and sunny, and it was just perfect weather with great people. We weren't the only ones going bush to bush, you know. I didn't get a video, but look at the little friend going bush to bush. We were careful, but we had an awesome time. Looking forward to going back again. We were able to get 3.5 containers. That was like a bucket and a quarter full of berries. So not bad. Now that our day is about over, gonna go check out and take a final photo. We had a good time. Can't wait to do it again. But guess what we're on our way home to do? Get some very needed rest after being outside all day. And wash up some blueberries. And get ready to make some treats. How about that? I was very surprised on how clean the berries were. Minus a little bit of like grass and stems, and I really didn't see, and a little few leaves. I didn't see any bugs in the blueberries. Unlike when I've gotten stuff from the grocery store, I've definitely encountered a few creepy crawlies. So I'm using the veggie wash machine and the Swedish paper towels. I'll leave those items in the description if you're interested. The Swedish paper towels are reusable cloths or paper towels. So this is my first time using them. So I'm going to use them a few more times, and maybe I'll give a thorough review coming up. So stay tuned. Here's Mr. Preparing blueberry donuts. It was a family affair as usual. He picked the recipe, and our sous chef helped measure out some of the ingredients. And of course, you know, I kind of manned the camera and of course helped supervise and be a taste tester, of course. So this was our first attempt at making blueberry, I guess, cake donuts. So with 3 chefs in the kitchen, sometimes we can, get on each other's nerves in the kitchen. But we made it work. As they say, teamwork makes the dream work. Growing up, I didn't really have a taste for blueberries. I guess because most of the blueberries that I did encounter growing up were artificially flavored blueberries, and I didn't really care for that. But in recent years, having fresh blueberries has definitely, altered my palate. I like fresh blueberries, especially in the mornings for breakfast, maybe with some yogurt and granola and maybe some other fruits like strawberries or my other favorite nectarines. blueberry muffins. I love blueberry muffins. Of course, they must be good blueberry muffins. So growing up, my berry of choice, I would say, was probably blackberries, and only because they grew wildly, near where we lived. We also had a neighbor with a mulberry bush. So blueberries and mulberries were my go-to berries just because I could leave my yard and pick some. Y'all, I was giving these donuts the side eye. I'm like, this, I don't know. He was following the recipe, but I don't know, they just looked a little weird, especially, when you see like those name brand shops or you see donuts, they don't look like this at all. But you have to trust the process. And like I said, this was our first blueberry donut experience, and we're just gonna go with it. You see the struggle? Don't laugh. Don't laugh. And I think it may have been a little too hot, but we're gonna work with it. Isn't she lovely? I know Sheila Brown. That's all right. And it went downhill from there. I think we only had one or two to turn out in a donut shape. From now on, they're going to be known as fritters. Blueberry fritters. Okay, so we decided to do a couple of different toppings. Cinnamon sugar and just powdered sugar, and a plain like vanilla glaze and a blueberry glaze. And I think the blueberry glaze is definitely by far the most attractive and the most flavor. Thank you for hanging in this long. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. A good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed. Couldn't leave me alone.